passports. V5, green card for Turkey. Vaccination certificates.
Passenger locator forms. Okay, I think we have everything.
So, after last week of nearly breaking down, it's probably worth bringing you up to speed as to where we are and what the hell we're doing here. So, we've made our way north into Alexandroupolis, which is about an hour away from the border of Turkey. Key point there. We have moved quite quickly over the last few days because the current news of a new COVID variant has made us a little bit squeaky bum about the borders closing. Morocco have already closed one of their borders, I think. So, well, not one of their borders, their border. So we're worried that Turkey might follow suit. And now that we're close, I think we may as well actually start making our way across. I feel a bit all over the place, I'm not going to lie. All this fear is building up into like the unknown.
I just don't even know how I'm feeling, to be honest. The fact that we plan to cross like in 2 weeks' time, do it at a weekend at our own pace, in the daylight, it's pitch black outside, it's raining. It just adds to that anxiety. So around a Monday night as well, we've just finished work and we've got 2 more days of work this week, and we're going to cross into a country where we don't have EU phone coverage anymore. We're going to have to buy data passports and try and get a Turkey SIM card and make sure we've got enough data to work from for the next 2 days and the next 3 months from there. We weren't even insured for Turkey, so we've had to figure that out today as well and get a quote and try to get covered. So it's just been a little bit of a rush. I don't really do rush. Okay, we're almost ready to go, I think. Just doing the final turn down. But before we cross the border, we really want to get water, empty the bins, and I guess on the way plan where we're going to park tonight, because we haven't even looked at that yet. Done.
So it's about 45 minutes till we get over the border, or to the border at least. And I'm now trying to choose whether I want to listen to Avril Lavigne or Queen.
Oh, Queen.
Queen.
We've had a lot of Avril recently.
Okay. Oh. Cyndi Lauper. What is it? Mahaba?
Mm-hmm. Need a mask on?
Yeah, we put it on. My phone from a locator phone and COVID pass.
Passport control, but...
Aha,
Oh, okay. Something's happening. Hello? Yes. Stamps. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, first set of passport control on the Greek side of the border. We got a stamp. I'm hoping it says today's date. It's a little dark and I don't know what page it's on, so we'll check that later. But they stamped it, and that is the most important thing, because that's what we need. I guess we're kind of in no man's land at the moment. We've officially left Greece, but we have not yet entered Turkey.
It's really weird with it being dark, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels a little bit ominous, like, I don't know, like naughty.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going.
Ready?
Hello.
Hello. No.
No?
Do you have baggage? Any baggage? Caravan?
Baggage?
Campervan.
It's just a camper van.
Touristic? Huh?
Yeah.
Touristic. Okay.
Is it okay? Nothing to declare, I guess.
Oh, and then that's the... okay. Do you want us to stop?
Yeah, I think so. Looks like it. Hello, marhaba. I should. Yes.
Oh, this isn't-
Come on. Oh. Thank you. I really also. Is it okay?
Okay.
Thank you. COVID station check.
No scanning?
No scanning. Just looked at the PDF. It didn't scan the QRs, but okay.
Let's make it go for it.
No.
Let's calm down, Dee Dee. We're almost there,
We're
okay?
almost there.
Right, this might be where they check. What do they check now?
So we
Insurance.
have like our vehicle stuff. So there might be another passport check. I don't know. And then
There
we
we go.
have vehicle documents, insurance documents, international driving permit. There's another booth up there as
Yeah.
well. So. Marhaba.
Hello.
Hello.
Passport?
Please. Two people.
Two.
Two.
United Kingdom.
Yes.
Yes.
James.
Hello.
Hello. Who is it?
Courtney. Yeah.
Hello, Army Man.
Hello. Turkey flags. Oh look, so we're leaving Greece.
We're in Turkey.
Oh, we're in Turkey. We're in Turkey.
We're in Turkey!
Oh my god, we made it. Oh, I'm gonna put my little red folder away.
We're in Turkey, baby. Yes. And it feels incredible. This trip so far has been all about getting the van, little Dee Dee over there, to Asia, and we are so close now. We're still on the European side of Turkey, but it's literally just over the water over there. And upon reflection of the border crossing last night, yes, we were nervous, but I don't think we had anything to be nervous for. As long as you've got your sort of 5 key documents, your vaccination, your passenger locator form, your passport, obviously, your vehicle registration and your insurance, then you are fine. There's like 5 points you need to go through on the way there, but honestly, it's just secure. That's a good thing. One thing that we need to mention is we got fully comp insurance for Turkey because the insurance at the border is only third party. So yes, it allows you to drive on Turkish roads, but you ain't insured if something bad happens, and we didn't want to risk that. We can afford the insurance. It's expensive. It's 560 quid we paid for 3 months cover, which is eye-watering when you compare it to that's the same price as our 12 months in Europe. But you know, we're covered, Dee Dee's fine, and we're just so bloody happy to be here, honestly. Like, I've just woken up with the biggest smile on my face, and there are still a few things that we need to sort out, little admin things, but there's also some exciting stuff happening today, so let's get to it.
Good morning, Bueno. There you go. Not for you. No. One for you, Mama. Good girl. Oh, and you as well. gonna run out of biscuits today. Well done. No more, sweetheart. No more. You're trying to get in the van. I would love that if you did. I would love that.
Look at the size of this thing that I've just found. It's a
What
shell.
is it? A shell?
Yeah. Like,
Oh.
but like, that's just on the beach. It's like, there's face for comparison.
Wow.
And I've got a big head.
You have got a big head.
So, anyone know what this is or what animal this would be?
Okay.
Like some sort of clam?
Yeah, maybe.
But
That's insane.
nice one, Turkey. Good start. Good start.
Jeeves, my driver,
Yes, madam.
take me to Gallipoli.
Righto.
Now.
Okay. Hey. No.
Turn left.
No.
Not the greatest road to get down to that beach.
It's alright when you've got Dee Dee under you though.
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl.
Quarter of a mile. Turn left.
Easy.
So we have just parked up on this little side street to empty our grey. We spotted a drain, which actually less common than what we thought. And there just happens to be an amazing mosque right next door. This is insane.
Look how cute this little, I don't know, little motorised something, cart, person carrier thing is. Look at this. I'll zoom in for you. Look!
Love that.
It's like a mobility scooter, but cool.
Right, we have found a park up out on a little kind of like peninsula, not far from the town. And we need to go and get SIM cards for our Wi-Fi and for our phones, and also try and find a post office or somewhere we can buy the, like, I think it's called a HSG or HGS, like, toll sticker for some of the highways, just in case we ever end up on some of them.
Time to get some SIM cards. So we've just got our SIM cards, got 3, one for each of our phones and then one for the van. They had loads of problems because I think the passports say Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and they were trying to put Northern Ireland as where we're from, and that just isn't an option. So that was a problem. And then I think they tried to put all 3 on Courtney's passport, and you can only have 2. So anyway, they were really lovely people, and we also got some nice goodies in there as well, a new hard drive and some headphones for Courtney because it's so cheap here right now.
You playing? You playing? You playing?
So we're almost back to the van, and I see some YouTubers in the wild. A British van, a dog. I wonder who it could be.
I wonder.
I mean, this channel needs no introduction. If you watch YouTube, you probably watch them. It's only John and Mandy! And Coop, obviously.
And Coop, obs. We're here! Hello! Hello!
Cheers!
Overdub whatever is in Turkish.
Smells amazing.
Hopefully it'll taste it. Nom, nom, nom.
Well, this is very exciting. We are literally just pulled onto the ferry And we're about to drive to Asia.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
This is such a cool experience. Actually going quite quick.
It's like 15 minutes. I think we'll be done.
And I'm actually a little bit gutted about that because I think it would be nice for it to be a longer
It's a good day for
journey.
it. I'm glad we're doing it today, not yesterday when it was raining. So
Yeah, and it was really choppy yesterday, and
Yeah.
today nice and
Still.
calm, which is good for Mandy because she gets seasick. So I think maybe that's why she's still down in the van, not walking around.
Asia is right there. This
Right
is so
there.
cool.
And in 10 minutes, Dee Dee's little wheels, big wheels,
Well, hopefully,
Beastie wheels.
Beastie wheels.
will be driving onto Asian soil.
Yeah, it's been awesome, hasn't it?
We've got so much planned. We're obviously hanging out with these guys. Philly and Keely from Chapter by Chapter are with us as well. So we're going to be exploring with them over the next however many days or weeks. And yeah, seeing where we end up. So we will catch you on the next one. Bye guys!
That doesn't look very safe, does it?